In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error that says the action cannot be completed because the file is open in the system, here's how you can quickly fix this. And don't worry, I'll show you the accurate solution on how you can easily resolve this. First of all, what we'll do is on the keyboard, we will use the Windows plus R key, which will open the run command. And from here, we will just write msconfig and hit enter. From here, we will choose the boot tab, and under here, we will choose the safe boot. And let's keep the settings to the minimal. Click on apply, and it will ask you to restart the computer. So we will click on the restart. And once you are in the safe mode, we just log in again. And after that, let's say whatever is the file that is causing the problem, whatever is the application or the software, usually it's an ISO file or an exe file. So what you do is just you right click on this and you delete this in the safe mode. So that will prevent the duplication. And after that, you do the same thing. After that, what we'll do is just press Windows plus R again, go to the msconfig and turn to the boot options and exit out of the safe mode. Click apply and OK. It will again ask for the restart. Just restart it once, and then in the normal system, you should be able to run the application normally, and it will not show this that this is open in another file or in another area. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.